Hope you all are fine. Yes, students, last class we have studied about bricks pattern for Jagrati school. Yes, so today we will learn about how to draw a brick. Okay, are you ready? Yes, now here we have two photos of same brick. Yes, but this photo we can see three faces. Yes, let's see here. One face, two face, three face. Yes, but in this photo we can see only one face. Yes, can you understand? Let's now you circle the three faces of brick. Okay, which one brick have three faces? This brick has three faces. Yes, let's see here students. Next question, how many faces in all does a brick have? Yes, let's see here. I will show you brick. How many faces are there? See here. One face, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, here 6. Total one brick have 6 faces. Yes. So you have to write here 6 faces. Yes. Then is any face is square? Brick is have any faces in a square shape? No. Brick has all faces in rectangular shape. Yes, this is small rectangular. Yes, this is not a square, small rectangular. Yes, this is also rectangular. Can you understand? So, we have to write the answer no. Yes. Let's see here. Draw the smallest face of the brick. Yes. Let's see here. I will draw here. You also draw in your reader. Okay. This is a rectangular shape. Let's see here students. Next question is, which of these are the faces of a brick? Then which one has a faces of brick? That one you have to do right mark. Okay. Let's see here. Is this like a brick face? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. This is a rectangular shape. Yes. So we have to do right mark. Yes. This one. This is square. Yes. This is not a face of the brick. Yes. This also not. Why? Because this is a curved face. Yes. This is a triangle. This is also no. This one also no. Yes. This one? Yes. This is a one face of the brick. Yes. So we have to do this one right mark. Okay. Can you understand? Now next question. Let's see here. Which of these is a drawing of a brick? Yes. Which diagram is look like a brick? That one we have to do right mark. Okay. Let's see here. This is look like a brick? No. Yes. This one? Yes. Yes. This one is a brick. So we have to do right mark. Yes. This is look like a brick. Yes. This one? No. This one? Yes. Yes. So we have to write the mark. This one? No. This is a cube. Yes. No. This is not a see here students, our next question is make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. Yes, here they given geometrical box. Yes, this one we have to show 3 faces of its faces. Okay, it's very easy. See here how to draw the 3 faces of geometrical box. Okay. Finish. Yes. This is one face. This is second face. This is third face. Yes. Let's see next question. Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? No. Yes. No, we cannot make a drawing of a brick showing of 4 of its faces. Okay. Let's see. I'll write answer. No. We cannot make a drawing of a brick showing 4 of its faces. Yes, can you understand? Let's see here students. One day Munia and Zainab are playing with each other and they making their bricks wall. Yes, both walls are different. Then Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Yes, masons do not put the bricks one on the top of the other as Munia's has done. Okay. Let's see here students. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? Yes. Let's see here. Zainab wall will be stronger than Munia's wall. Yes. Write the answer. Zainab's wall will be stronger than Munia's wall. Okay? Can you understand? Dear students, let's now we learn about different wall patterns. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Yes, these bricks are different patterns. Yes. Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. Okay. Let's see here which is the same pattern. That one you have to match. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see here students. I have matched the photo of each wall with the correct drawing. Yes. You also do this like only. Okay. Students, let's now open your mathematics textbook, page number 6. Okay. Looking through a brick jali. The masons who built Jagrati School had also made different jolly patterns on the walls. Okay, see these photos. How many different jolly patterns can you see in these two photos? I can be seen in these two photos 5 different jolly patterns. Yes? Let's, dear students, open your page number 7 and see a drawing of another beautiful jolly. Okay, now color some bricks red and make your own jolly patterns in the wall drawn below. Okay, we have to draw your own jolly patterns. Okay. Dear students, I have colored some bricks red and made my own jolly patterns in the wall. Okay. Like this only we have to do different patterns. Okay. Students, can you see the window in this photo of the school? See, this is a Zarokha pattern. Now, draw some Zarokha patterns on the wall here. You can shade it black in color. Okay. Do you see the arch in this photo? Yes, this is from a school in Faizabad. Students, look for other arches around you and draw them. Okay? Then next, have you seen arches in a bridge? Yes, I have seen an arches in a bridge. Where else have you seen an arch? I have seen an arch in temple or villages. Dear children, see this photo. It's from Orcha. See how the arch is made? It has a nice name. Do you know? Its name is Gungat Wali Mehrab. See, this arch is so beautiful, no? And see this window. It's also beautiful. Have you ever seen these bricks? Look around. Yes, I have seen thin brick in some very old buildings in my village. Let's see here, students. In this image, some different shapes of bricks are there. Yes, on this image, some questions are there. Let's see this. Which of these bricks have curved edges? Bricks 1 and 2 have curved edges. Yes. The next question is, how many faces do you see of the longest brick? 2 faces are seen in the longest brick. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? No, a brick cannot have more than 6 faces. Okay? Students, let's now you take one brick and measure it. I have measured one brick. It has 10 inches in length, 4.5 inches in wide and 3 inches in height. Okay? This time you have to measure and write down in your reader. Okay? Can you understand? Students, Ganesh and Sahiba live near a kiln where bricks are made. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it about 5 meters? Is it about 15 meters? Or is it about 50 meters? Children, I guess the chimney's height is about 50 meters. Students, here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully and write the correct order. I have written the correct order of pictures. See here. First one is C, second one is D, third one is B and fourth one is A. Before writing, we have to discuss with your parents. Afterwards, we have to write the correct answer. Okay? Students, look at this photo
and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. Okay, and also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. Children, it's carrying around 5 to 10,000 bricks. A truck driver tells that he carrying nearly 5,000 bricks in small truck, and in the bigger truck can carry around 10,000 bricks. Okay? Students, let's now mental math. Bhajan buys bricks. Students, Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The prices were also different for different types of bricks. Old bricks, rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Intapur, rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Brickabad, rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? Let's see here. Cost of 1 brick equals to rupees 2. Cost of 3000 bricks equals to 2 into 3000 because they want 3000 bricks. Yes, 2 into 3000 equal to 6000. Therefore, Bhajan has to pay rupees 6000 for 3000 new bricks. Okay, can you understand? Next question. Students, guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. Students, I guess for 500 old bricks he will pay rupees 600. Okay, you also think and write the answer. Thank you.